Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. How are you? Dear students, welcome to the fifth session of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about letters of request and letters of appreciation. You can find this week's topic in Module 5 and 6. Each module consists of two learn activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kinds of letters of request and write a thank you email accurately and appropriately. Please study the materials and arrangement links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 5th and do the assignment too. Good luck for you.